Hi friends, I am Pranay Prakash and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve the last exercise of the chapter Playing with Numbers, and in our next video we will start with new chapter. So come, today let's end this chapter. So first of all, let's see our today's first question. It is saying that find the smallest 4-digit number which is exactly divisible by 32, 36 and 48. In the last video, I have told you where to find LCM and where to find HCF. In this question, we will find LCM. Why? Because it is telling the smallest number and it is also denoting the digits, that is 4 digits. So let's first of all find out the LCM of 32, 36 and 48 as denoted in the question. So as you all know, these numbers are divisible by 2. So when 32 is divided by 2, what is the quotient? Quotient is 16. Here the quotient is 18. And here the quotient is obviously 24. Now again 16, 18 and 24 are divisible by 2. Here 8, here 9 and here we will write 12. Now 8 and 12 are divisible by 2. Okay. So let's divide. So 2 into 4 is 8. 9 is not divisible. Copy is as it is. And 12 is divisible by 2. Quotient is 6. Again the same situation. Here 4 and 6 are divisible by which number? By 2. Okay. So when 4 is divided by 2, 2 is our quotient. 9 is not divisible, just write as it is. 6 is divisible, so quotient is 3. Okay. Here 9 and 3 are divisible by 3. 2 is not divisible, write it down as it is. Here 3 into 3 9. Okay. And here 3 into 1 is 3 only. So, I hope you know how to find the LCM. So, 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 16 into 3 is 48. Okay, so here 48. And the bottommost numbers must be also multiplied. As you can see at bottom, 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 1 6. So 48 into 6. Okay. Okay. So 48 into 6 is, so 288 is our product and our LCM. Now it is asking the smallest 4-digit number. So what is the smallest 4-digit number? Obviously 1000. Okay. So now we will divide the 1000 by our LCM, that is 288. Okay. First of all, let's erase, and now we will divide 1000 with 288. So here 1000, that is smallest 4-digit number, and here our LCM 288. Okay. We will multiply 288 with 3. Okay. So 864 is our product. Okay, now let's subtract. So 136 is our remainder. Now, as you all know, remainder has came, so 1000 is not completely divisible by our LCM. So for making it completely divisible, you all know that we have to subtract the remainder from the dividend. But when we will subtract the remainder from the dividend, then the number we will obtain will not be 4-digit number, it will be 3-digit number. Okay, so that means we will add. Now keep one thing in mind, whenever we will add, first of all you will write the dividend, that is 1000. Okay, then add, so plus sign, and you will not just simply add. First of all you will subtract the remainder from the divisor. So divisor is 288 minus remainder is 136. This is to be operated first of all, so we will keep this in bracket because bracket is operated first of all. Okay, now 1000 plus, we will find the difference, 152. Okay, now when we will add, the sum will be 1152. So this will be our answer. You can see the answer which is being displayed on your screen in pink color. Now let's move on to our next question. Okay, our next question is, 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Suppose A is the spot and the 3 boys step off from A. Okay, now their steps measure 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter respectively. That means the first boy's step measure will be 63 cm, the second boy's step measure will be 70 cm and the third boy's step measure will be 77 cm. Okay, then the question is, what is the minimum distance each should cover so that all cover the same distance in complete steps? Now you have to remember that they should cover the same distance in complete steps, and it is asking the minimum distance. Okay, minimum distance. So whenever minimum is there, you have to find LCM. Okay, so we will find the LCM of 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter. As the question is in centimeter, our answer will be also in centimeter, or afterwards we will convert it into meter. Okay, let's find the LCM in the blank space beside this question. Okay, so here 63 as in the question. We will not write centimeter here while finding the LCM. Afterwards we can write, then 70 and then here 77 as denoted in the question. Now all these numbers available here are divisible by 7. Okay, so we will divide by 7. 7 into 9 is 63, 7 into 10 is 70 and 7 into 11 is 77. Okay, now 9, 10, 11 have no common number which will divide them. So let's multiply. First of all, 10 into 7 is 70 multiplied by 9 into 11 is 99. Okay. So 70 multiplied by 99. What is our product? Six 6,930 what centimeters? Okay. Don't forget to give the units, centimeters. Now here we can also convert this in meters. Okay. So if we will write in meters, then our answer will be 69.3 meters. Okay. The point will be here. 69.3 meters. Okay, so let's move to our next question. Okay, here you can see our next question. First one is, traffic lights at 3 different road crossing change after 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. That means 3 traffic lights are there at different road crossings and they change after 48, 72 and 108 seconds respectively. Question is, at what time will they change together again? If they change simultaneously at 7 am, that means if they change together at 7 am, then again at what time they will change together. Okay, so it is asking again, that means the minimum time. So we will find the least common multiple of 48, 72 and 108. So let's find. So here we will find our LCM. Okay, of 48, 72 and 108. All are divisible by 2. Here 24, here 36, and here 54. Again all are divisible by 2. Here 12, here 18 and here 27. 12 and 18 are divisible by 2. Here 6, here 9, here 27. Now all of these are divisible by 3. Here 2, here 3 and here 9. Now 3 and 9 are divisible by 3. Here 2, here 1 and here 3. So now it is completed. Now 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 3 is 24, 24 into 3 is 72. Okay, and the bottommost number 2 into 3 is 6. So 72 into 6 is 432. Question is asking in seconds. So 432 seconds. Okay. Now in 432 seconds, how many minutes and seconds are there? First of all, we will divide 432 by 60. Okay. As you all know, 60 into 7 is 420 and 12 is our remainder. That means 7 minutes 12 seconds. They rang simultaneously at 7 am. So again they will ring at 7 minutes 12 seconds past 7 am. Okay. So let's see our next question. As you can see, our next question and the second last question of this chapter is, if the product of two numbers is 4032 and their HCF is 12, so let's find their LCM. Now for finding the LCM, you have to divide the product of two numbers, that is divide 4032 by their HCF, that is 12. Okay. So 336 is our quotient, so that means 336 will be our LCM and the answer of question number 4. Okay. Now in question number 5, let's see. Can two numbers have 16 as their HCF and 1427 as their LCM? Now you all know that the LCM of two or more numbers should be always divisible by their HCF. So here the LCM is 1427 and the HCF is 16. When you will divide the LCM by HCF, you will find that 1427 is not exactly divisible by 16. Okay, it is not completely divisible. That means any two numbers can't have LCM as 1427 and HCF as 16. So the answer here will be no. You can also give the reason that the LCM is not divisible by the HCF. Okay. So this was all our today's video. With this we have completed this chapter playing with numbers. In our next video we will start with a new chapter. Till then, if you like this video, then please like it and share it with your friends. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and set it to all to regularly get notifications of my upcoming videos. Till then, be safe and take care of yourselves. Thank you.